Hey guys, it's just another day at the office, but today my brother brought me a surprise, so let's go check it out. Right here we have a Carolina Vaydor. This is the car that the Joker drove in Suicide Squad. So let's see what this thing can do. Got some butterfly doors like a Lambo. Needs a little detail, but other than that, this thing looks pretty cool. It feels like I'm sitting in a Lamborghini. Alright. This is a Grand Theft Auto car. Just left Los Santos Customs. Hey, appreciate you. YouTube. Yeah.
I ain't gonna post the location though. Hey, what is that?
It's a Vaydor.
A Vaydor?
Yeah.
Over 300K?
Pretty much.
Hey man, good luck to you, brother. That's awesome, bro.
Thank you.
What's your YouTube channel?
Kabonster.
The Monster?
Yeah.
Man, I'll subscribe to you, man.
Hey, yes sir. See? He thought it was a $300,000 car. Little do they know, you can get this for normally $75,000, but my followers get this for $69,000. $69,999,999,999,999.
Not actually that many nines.
Well, if you put a decimal after 69,999 decimal 99999999999, that's fine. That works.
I don't think that's how money works.
It works! The Vaydor. The Carolina Vaydor.
They like the car.
They do like the car. You know, I just have you know, just a different taste. You know, like an Audi R8, a Lamborghini, you know, an Aventador, a Huracan. But this is cool too, I guess. This car, although it may seem like a supercar, it's a hybrid. It's a hybrid supercar. This thing, it's a kit car. What they did is they took an Infiniti G35, took the complete body off of it, and put a completely customized kit on top of it that makes it look absolutely beautiful. Gives it that supercar look. And they have a kit for the outside, the exterior, and a kit for the interior. As you can see, this is not your standard Infiniti G35 interior. This has got that supercar look. Got the leather and the suede with the red stitching and the NRG steering wheel. This thing looks like it's serious business. I need to get a drink. Some electrolytes. Vaydor. Carolina.
Yeah, he got some bad.
You know, we've had some mixed opinions, but most people think it's badass and they think it's worth $300,000. If you want to look like a badass and make everyone think that you're driving a $300,000 car, the Vaydor could be a great choice for you for only $69,999, drop down from $74,999. And that's only if you follow this channel. So if you want to buy this car, go check out my brother. The link is in the description to this video. Let him know that I sent you, and you'll get $5,000 off of this car. You want to know who bought it? Omar. Why? Because Omar buys cars.
Wait,
go
he does
check.
what now?
Omar buys cars.
What the?
Whoa! Omar buys cars. Whoa! Omar buys cars. Whoa!
Omar buys cars.
.com?
.com.
OmarBuysCars.com.
Omar buys cars.